ufuna ukwakha uqiniswa ngabantu ngoba abantu uyakwazi ukubenza asibenze.
What Ubaba Mseleku is saying to Usamge is that you're good for nothing but making babies. And what is said Usamge is that Usamge is so feisty on camera, kodwa ingane zakhe uyikhandela ko Airbnb. Udlula nangolwandle, ulwandle ukhanda ingane eMzumbe, ukhulisa ingane yakhe eMzumbe, unonkosikazi eMzumbe, wena ukhanda abantu eAirbnb, booking.com. We are witnessing what we call a second-hand embarrassment, because what is happening to Samge on TV is an embarrassment. Kokuqala you were introduced at the gate. Abantu bakaduma bakubonile egate. And you are having scenes at the restaurants. Umethuli was introduced to her siblings in a public space. That is so sad to watch. Yet you are so feisty, Samge. Uyabona ngoba uyalungisa uyekele ukuthatha ama side. Stop lento yama camp. Look where it has landed you. And you are fighting people's battles weSamge. Umacele uhlele esitezini sakhe eSeapark. When you are fighting Macele's battles from Airbnbs and restaurants. Busy posting on Instagram, throwing shades at the wives kumele bakulungiselele ikhaya. Lapho kini okugreen uhlelo uyaposta kini. And another thing weSamge, continue wena umzalela amantombazana uzobona, you will feel his wrath. Ubonile ukuthi kade ejabule kanjani umezwa ukuthi ulwandle ene intombi yakhe izozala ingane yomfana. Wena continue umenzela abantwana bamantombazana kulama Airbnb wakho uzobona wena.
Number 1.
Ukhona umuntu ongabe umamkhulu lapha ukhulu wami owayemlwele ukuthi angemthathi.
And one thing that I've realized is that actually Ubaba Mseleku is not a villain in all of this. Ubaba Mseleku, we forgive you. Ubaba Mseleku is just carrying out a vision. Because umuntu oyena a villain uGokflow. Because tell me, Tina all along says ukuthi uMayeni was the first one. Kanti uGokflow yena ube busy on the side elwele omunye umuntu ukuthi abe u-first wife. Ekhona uMayeni. Niyabona kahle kahle ukuthi uMusa Mseleku akuyena lento sithi uyiyona. Niyabona kahle kahle lo muntu behind lesithembu, behind what is happening kulesithembu is, I know Baba Mseleku hamba uyoshunqisa impepho. And this time around Baba Mseleku ungayishunqise emathuneni, uyishunqise endumbeni. Ukhulume naye uflow kuzwakale ngoba konakele baba akwazi.